Stuck with the Windows core process. Threads DLL failure compromising your core library map. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. I've linked the primary utility for Windows core process threads in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the Windows core process threads, an extended API shim for process management. It manages unmanaged routines for process priority and affinity orchestration, facilitating the performance data link for localized binary manifests. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. APMS Win Core Process Threads L111 is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Windows core process threads message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors for Windows core process threads DLL that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to Windows core process threads. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Windows core process threads working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.